guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So I am about to do this recipe that my mom loves so much, and it is I won't really say it's her original recipe, but it's on the lines of sweetie pies, macaroni and cheese. So it's like a replica. I do add a few ingredients that she doesn't add in hers, but my mom loves it so much. So this is a replica of sweetie pies, mac and cheese. So let me show you guys exactly what you're gonna need to do this infamous macaroni and cheese. So the first thing you guys are gonna need, you're gonna need eggs, milk, black pepper, evaporated milk, white pepper, accent, sour cream, butter. You'll need a pound of elbow noodles, some sugar. You are going to need, I like to use the block of the extra sharp cheese. It's something about when you shred the block cheese, it makes your macaroni and cheese very cheesy. And it just, I don't know, it's just something about shredding cheese. So of course I got these two bags over here, which is the mild that's already shredded. And I've got the Sargento as well. And that is the 4 cheese Mexican blend as well. So I'm not going to be making like a big pan of macaroni, but this will definitely be enough for, you know, for my family. So I'm going to put all the measurements and stuff down as to what you're going to need for each item on the screen somewhere. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions, just definitely leave them down below. And let's go ahead and let's start making some infamous sweetie pies, macaroni and cheese.